Alright you guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Jylesa and in today's video I'm doing a clean with me video. Alright you guys, so if this is your first time being on my channel, thank you so much for joining me. If this is, are you returning? If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification button. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be cleaning the upstairs of my house, which is the master bedroom, master bathroom, the kids bathroom, and their room. Now when I say I am embarrassed to show you guys the starting product of my house, but it's okay, you know what, because the whole point is to get clean. And so as you can see right now my house is clean, but we're going to go back a couple of hours and let y'all see the before. Alright, let's start cleaning. Hey Siri. Play carnival music.
Okay, playing playlist songs you need this carnival season.
Not people time. I want not people time. I want not people time. I want.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to be actually starting in my master bedroom. I decided to start in there, so I'm just taking the sheets off of my bed and then we're just going to go ahead and get ready to throw them in the wash. Now because I have white sheets, I use White Bright. This gets my sheets white. I don't have to worry about staining or anything like that. It's pretty much gotten anything out of my white sheets. So we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the master bedroom real quick. As you guys can see, I have a lot of stuff all over the floor. Literally me and my kids live out of my bedroom. So like all of their clothes, all of their toys are all over my room. It's like they invaded my whole house. But as you can see, this right here is my side of the bed. As you can see, we have outgrown this space completely. I don't really have a night table. So this is where I put all my books, my Bibles, anything that I'm reading. Like everything goes in this little nook. So I'm just going to clean up this little nook really quickly. And as you can see, these little books that I got from Hobby Lobby, that's where like I store all my little knickknacks at. So that's what you just saw me put on the table. But now we're going to go ahead and shift really quickly to my bathroom. Now, I just want to say I'm embarrassed about how bad my master bathroom has gotten. But anyway, you guys, I'm basically putting up all of the hair products, eyelashes, like you name it, it's in my bathroom. And my kids have been coming into my bathroom recently to do all of their daily routine stuff. So yes, it's been rough, you guys. But I'm basically going through and just taking all of the products and putting them in their rightful place. So now that my little dance break is done, we're going to get right back to cleaning. As you can see, I have containers for all of like my hair products and stuff like that. So I'm basically just going through and making sure that I can put everything in the containers. Now what I'm using to clean with is I'm actually using Clorox Scentiva. And I actually like that because it smells really, really good. But as you can see right now, I'm just going through and cleaning up the sinks. Making sure I get my husband's side, and then here is my side, nice and wiped down. I like to get in all the nooks and crannies right here. And then this is where I messed up. I sprayed the Scentiva on the mirror instead of the Windex. Don't judge me. It happens to all of us. But I had to go back and wipe that over. And now what I'm doing is just making sure I'm putting everything in its place and making sure that it's all neat and tidy. I think this was the longest part of my bathroom. Now, I have hair products everywhere. I cleaned out my hair product drawers too. Like, that's how bad it was. But here, I'm just cleaning out the tub. And I'm just using a scrub brush to clean it, and I'm using the Scentiva to spray on it. But there's something else that I wanted to show you guys that I've been doing, and I don't know if this is like normal, but I usually take like an empty water bottle, fill it up with water, and then I run it across my bathroom because I found that that's the easiest way to like make sure you rinse off everything really good. I may just be overdoing it, but this is just something that I found to be convenient. So yeah, another dance break in 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys, so the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and clean up is my closet. As you can see, it is a hot mess because my kids like to play in my closet. So they take out all my shoes and all of that stuff and basically just play in the bottom of my closet. They play hide and go seek in there. So it is a mess. It has been trashed. So I'm just going through and cleaning up all of the shoes and getting everything back organized and throwing away stuff that we don't need, you know. So I'm literally just doing that right now. That closet was horrendous, you guys. So one of the last and final things that I like to do for my master bedroom, of course, is going to be making up the bed. So right here, I'm just folding up a couple of garments that I washed with my sheets that were white as well. And we're just going to go ahead and make up the bed. I don't know why this is so relaxing to me just to see this, but I love watching beds being made up. And maybe it's just me, I don't know, but anyway, I just like watching this part. Now, my mom told me how to do a medical fold, so I do this on the bottom of my bed. I don't know if anybody else does it, but my mom taught me that, and I still do the medical fold on my bed. I feel like it makes it look really neat. But as you can see, I didn't leave as much sheet on the other side of the bed, so it doesn't look as good, but whatever, we're gonna just leave it. I don't even have time or the energy to switch it back. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pillowcases on my pillows, and little Munchkin is gonna show up, Kylie, to help me. She's so sweet. She only comes and helps me on the parts that she actually enjoys doing. Anything else, she runs away from. But thank you, baby, for helping me. All right, so this is the last part of the master bedroom. Now we're gonna go to my kids' bathroom. I'm just gonna quickly clean out their tub. I'm actually using the magic eraser, which is my first time using it in the bathroom. And I think that it's wonderful because it made me go from tub to sink really, really quickly. I would not clean my toilet with that, but I like the magic eraser. I'm just gonna sweep the floor really quickly. And now we're gonna go to my kids' room. Now my kids' room is a whole nother story. They basically just take all of their stuff and put it in the floor. Like if it's the sheets, whatever, they're gonna take it and put it in the middle of the floor. So here, all I'm doing basically is going through all of their sheets, all of their toys, and everything like that to make sure that the room itself is clean. So I try to get them to organize their stuff to make it easier for them to find later, but they don't really listen to me. I don't know what's up with that, but I also go through their toy boxes about once every 3 months. Anything that's in it that's not supposed to be in there, I throw it out, and I try to get them to organize their toys. But just like I said, I don't think they're ever really going to do this. But I like to clean out their toy boxes just to make sure that there's no trash in there, because a lot of times they'll have paper, clothes, you name it, it's in there. So I go through and clean it out. Now we're going to go ahead and make up the bed, which is the final thing in their room before vacuuming. Vacuuming means that we are almost finished. We are almost finished cleaning this house. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum their room and then go into my bedroom. And yes, that's how much stuff is on my floor. I'm embarrassed, but I thought this was a cool angle to show you guys me vacuuming. But yeah, last and final step is vacuuming, and that means that we are in the home stretch, people. Home stretch. That, like, the sound of that vacuum cleaner is just the last bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the final reveal of me cleaning up my house. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, I got the house clean in a couple of hours. It's actually raining outside right now. I don't know, you guys can't see that. It's raining outside right now, so I am like out of it for today. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Just to let you know, this was my first clean with me video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.